In this video, we will show you how to crop a video using Wondershare Filmora video editor. Maybe you have a video but the size is not the what you want. Okay, you can crop the video easily using Wondershare Filmora video editor. In here, we are using Wondershare Filmora version 14. If you want, you can get this version on our site. Okay, and after you open the Wondershare Filmora video editor, you can import the project media. Make sure you active on the media here. I will close this. In the media, select import and find your video. For example, here. After that, you can drag and drop your video into the timeline like this. And this is the media you want to use. For example, you can using this size or keep project settings. I will using this. Okay, and after that, in the screen will appear. Okay, for the player, I will make this half to faster for the video replay. Okay, and in here, okay, I will mute video. Okay, and in here you can see this is the video that we get after export. If you want to crop this, you can just click on your video here. Then you can click tools and select video. And in here, usually the crop we want is crop and zoom, not crop to fit. Okay, this is crop and zoom. You can click here, and to crop this, you can see the ratio. This is the most important. If you want the ratio, you can select here. Okay, you can select original 16 with 9, or this is the aspect ratio. When you crop the video, it will look like this. You cannot adjust the both. Okay, the width and the height, because you are using the aspect ratio here. If you want to crop freely, you can using custom, so you can adjust the width and height whatever you like this. Okay, and you will get the crop results. For example, I just want this part of the video, not the all, and we can click apply. You can see we can play the video, and the result, our video will have a black bar. Okay, and the question, how we can remove this black bar? If we want to remove this black bar, there are two methods. First, you need to edit your project settings, of course. Okay. You can select project aspect ratio here. Okay, and you need to match with the video you crop. But the second method, if you want to just only adding the layer for the background, for example, I will adding image, and here, for example, I put the video, okay, like this, and when we open here, we will moving the video into here. So the image is as background. You can resize also the image with the same method, or you can using this like this. Okay. You can also using this to resize, or if you want to crop, it is also the same method. You can using tools and select video and select the zoom and crop, and you can crop the image also. Okay. After that, if you export the video, the result, the video will have the overlay video like this. And that's all how you can crop the video on Wondershare Filmora video editor. Then if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.